All right, guys, quick trade recap. We took a long on NQ today. Literally no drawdown entered TP. So let's go on the higher time frame directly and show you the trade. First of all, I'm gonna show you guys I'm on a trade of 8. So much we're up. This is a funded account. So yeah, we're very close to a payout. So let's go to the higher time frame. Obviously, guys, we are bullish. We are at trading ATH. I'm not trying to short the top. I'm not that guy, bro. I'm just trying to follow the trend. Give me something easy and simple to trade. I'm a simple man. Yeah. So as you guys can see, we have a bullish SMT right here. Guys, you can literally copy what I'm doing and make money. Please. It's so easy. It's so free. As you can see here, ES took out London low and NQ did not. Very bullish. Very, very bullish. We go on a lower time frame. We get that, and then we have this 2-minute fair value gap that I fair value gap that I marked. I'm gonna mark it in orange. So this is a 2-minute inverse fair value gap. We inversed it, and I entered based on that inverse, targeting 1.5 hour and putting my stop at the low of the candle, and then basically tapped inside the trade. You can see here we reacted to a 2-minute fair value gap and reacted in a very bullish way as we closed above the consequent encroachment of the move, which is very bullish. And yeah, I could have waited and held longer, but simplicity over complexing things, right? Always look for simple trades that guarantee you money. Here, I think $400 or $450, something like that. And this is on one account, right? And it's scalable. I can in the future have 10 accounts, then it's $4,500 in one trade. If I have 20 Apex account, it's 9K in one fucking trade. That's crazy. Please lock in. So easy. No need for big moves. No need for crazy plays. This is simplicity. This is how we make it. Yeah, it's literally that easy. We have a bullish SMT here. Boom. Very easy. So yeah, please. I'm opening a new Discord, so I'll put the link in the bio. It's a free Discord, nothing paid. I'm just gonna be sharing my trades. If there's enough people, I can stream and go live to see my trades. We can talk. If you guys have questions, if you guys want to learn how to learn trading, or if you want to learn how to identify these plays, any questions you guys have can give me on the Discord. So I'll drop the link in the bio and you can join. See you in the Discord, guys. Bye bye.